In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new group to call in Google Meet. This is a fantastic feature for organizing meetings with multiple people, whether it's for work, study groups, or catching up with friends and family. So let's dive into the process and get your group call set up in no time. First, fire up your computer and open your preferred web browser. For the best experience, ensure you're using Google Chrome version 86 or higher, or Microsoft Edge version 79 or newer. Now navigate to meet.google.com/calling. This is your gateway to creating and managing group calls with ease. Once you've landed on the Google Meet calling page, you'll see an option that says Create Group Link. Go ahead and click on it. This is the key step to initiate the process of assembling your group. Google Meet will guide you through the next steps smoothly, but let's walk through them together for clarity. Now you'll have the chance to name your group. Make it something memorable and relevant, as this name will appear to everyone who joins the call. Whether it's weekly catch-up or project brainstorm, choose a name that sets the tone for your meeting. With your group now named, it's time to add the people you want to include in this call. Click on Add People, which will open up a list or a search bar. Here you can select the contacts from your Google list or enter the email addresses of people you wish to invite. This personalized touch ensures that you have the right participants for your discussion. After selecting your contacts, the next step is crucial. You'll want to look for the Add Start Call button, typically located in the top right corner of the window. Click on this button to initiate your group call. This action sends out all necessary notifications to your selected participants, making it super convenient. Before we wrap up, here are a few important details about group calls in Google Meet. You can have up to 32 participants in any given group call, which provides ample room for collaboration and communication. Remember, the group name you've chosen will appear for everyone in the group, adding a nice dose of personalization. With these steps complete, you're ready to host your group call in Google Meet. This straightforward process leverages the powerful tools in Google's ecosystem, ensuring a seamless virtual meeting experience. Whether you're discussing business strategies or organizing a virtual hangout, this feature is designed to make things easier for you and your participants. Thanks for watching, and happy calling.